Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to renew your pharmacy technician certification. So to get started, check your certification's expiration date and begin the renewal process early. So this will give you enough time to complete all the requirements and help you avoid possible late fees. Next, sign into the PTCB website, your NABPE profile, and your continuing education provider. And from there, review the number of continuing education hours that you need to complete, including any required topics such as pharmacy law or patient safety. So once you know the requirements, complete the necessary courses and quizzes, and after finishing them, wait for the credits to appear in your NABPE profile. Then carefully check that all your completed hours have been recorded correctly. When everything is updated, return the PTCB website and answer the renewal questions. And finally, submit your application and pay the required renewal fee. And once your renewal is approved, you can download or print your updated certificate. So that is all for today. Thank you so much for watching. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button below, and I will see you on the next video.